to our page. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Abby, and we're the Traveling Dinks.
Alright, we have made it to the room to drop off our stuff. Let's see if anyone's in here.
Welcome to stateroom 9133. This is a infinite veranda. So we're gonna start with our bathroom. It's your pretty standard cruise bathroom. No nasty shower curtain. Good bit of storage. Lots of places to put everything. It is 11:59 and we're in our stateroom. Most cruise lines, you gotta wait till 1 to 2 o'clock. So, got lots of storage, closet, decent, good, lots of hangers, got some drawers, safe. Pretty standard king bed. We've got 2 nightstands, plugs, USB on this side, and doesn't look like anything on the left side. But on the right side, you got your standard outlet as well as 2 USB outlets. Off this way, you got your full-size sofa. Nice little vanity area, pretty standard. We've got a few more drawers, it looks like, maybe. Yep, we got some drawers here. Oh, this is your fridge. Remember, the fridges aren't gonna be like a full fridge, it's more of like a cooler. So we got 3 drawers with dividers on each drawer, so that's pretty nice. We've got a little ottoman here that you can use and take in and out. This is our first time in the infinite veranda, so this is what we typically have always done in the balcony. So this will be the first time. We know we can shut these, and because once you do open your veranda, your AC will cut off. And then looks like, oh, you do have to hold it down. We got 2 chairs, a nice little table, not a full-size table to really eat off of, but it is a table. So that kind of sucks. You do have to hold it down to go all the way down. And you have to hold it to go up. So it's not a one press and it's gonna go all the way down. Okay, and then we also have your shade. Now it looks like the shade you can just click and it'll come all the way down for us. So if you're someone who wants to sleep with it super dark, you're gonna definitely want to pull that up, pull that down at night. That way when you wake up, it'll be nice and dark in your room. It does look like we get a light in here as well. So at night, if you want to turn on your balcony light, you can do that. Then let's see. Okay, so it's all the way down. Let's see if we have to hold it to make it go back up. You do not. So it'll open back up. So that is stateroom 9133 on the Celebrity Apex.